Hi everyone, today this is Caitlin Medore and I am going to be showing you the short tutorial I promised in my Fire Shines History Lapbook video I posted about a week or two ago. So this is the tutorial on how to make the quote boxes. If you look in my video, which I'll get up in a second, I kind of said that if you wanted a tutorial I could post one, so here's that little snippet of that so you know what I'm talking about and how to make it. So here's that part in my YouTube video that I mentioned. It's right over here on the screen. These are the quote things I'm talking about, and here I'll play the part where I was talking about what I would be showing you in this video. So that's just the part I was talking about, and here is the tutorial for that. You're going to go onto picmonkey.com, as you can see over here, and I'm going to say design. Now when I did this, I chose a little bit of a different route, but this is a much simpler route that I'm going to show you now. Alright, so as you can see here, I clicked on the square canvas. Canvas color is over here. I chose red and blue for accents. In my video, you can see red, blue, but I'll be using just red today. So here we go. Okay, so I have my red canvas over here, and this is, you can choose whatever color you like, any of these. To make it more of a dim color, you can go like this, anything you want here, but I'm just going to make it as full capacity of bright, and I'm just going to make it that color red. Now when I did this, I used a red background I got off of Google, but this is actually easier, so you can just say apply. Now over here on the butterfly thing that says overlay, you're just going to click that and press your own. Now I have a white background that I downloaded, just white, so I have it saved on my computer. So I recommend going on Google and searching white, and I have it here, and I'm going to click on that as an overlay, make it larger. Now of course this red you can resize to make it so that this almost lines up with this. You just want to see a little bit of red, so I'm just going to make it like that. Of course you can make the red smaller or bigger, but you can make white as big as you want. And so now you can choose a quote that you like to use. I went on to brainyquote.com to get mine, but you can put in whatever you want. Over here on text, you can just say, okay, you can choose a font. So I'll choose this one and say add text and say whatever you want. A quote or anything you want to say in there. So I'm just going to put, I don't know what I'm going to put. You can put, I'm just going to say hello there. And this is just like the normal typing, and Albert Einstein. Okay, now if I want to change this font here, I can select it all. Oops, didn't select it all. And be careful that you're not selecting the overlay, just the text. Okay, and you can put whatever text you would like. You can do that one, you can do this one, anything you want. And then, so I've got that, and you can center it and make it large by doing that, or saying size. And if that's not big enough for you, you can say even bigger by coming over here and saying 700 or whatever, and you can space it out, so like pull it out this way, but that's obviously too big, so let's make it a lot smaller. There we go. And then to save this, and you can adjust this a little bit, this white, you're going to press save, and you can save it right onto your computer. You can choose JPEG or a PNG, but PNG is going to be a bigger file size, so I'm going to choose JPEG. And click save to your computer, and it will download. Alright, thank you for watching this tutorial. Bye!